Today's Headlight G-Wagon G463. Customer wanted it looking brand new, but the bracket's missing. Maybe a repair kit, or just replace the housing. Let's just swap the housing. Costs a bit more, but it'll come out way cleaner. One thing to watch out for, this black bezel scratches really easily. Gloss black, even touching it can be risky. Bezels off. These used to cooling fans. If this one fails, you have to open it up and repair it. The inner fan, though, you can replace it through this hole. Okay. Gotta swap everything over, but first, smoke break. Plug these in first, before we forget. Next, move these two over. And always check this, make sure it spins freely. Perfect. Next up, in it goes. Don't want to make it too tight. Whoa. Nice. Come on out. Locked in place. Oh, these two are missing. Need to find replacements for those. Let's use this one up top for now. Done. Wait, stickers. Most important part. This QR code matters. You'll need it for coding. Somewhere around here. All right. Okay. Looks done. There we go. Looks clean. Still hazy inside though. Let's clean it a bit. Welded shut. Huh. Just lightly. There's some staining on it. This isn't glass, it's acrylic. Can't scrub it to hard. Gotta be gentle. All right. Time for reassembly. Clip in, and another one. Yep. All right, that should do it. There we go. Now the clear cover. These don't have left or right sides. Same cover for both sides. There's only one way it fits, though. Need to check for any gaps, because this part has to be trimmed. Let's seal it up like this. All right, finally done. Brought it back to life. So clean. Done.